how to add the weather conditions widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Okay, so on the home screen here, we press on the side button to go to your lock screen. On the lock screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Customize. Next, you can add the widget to the top panel or the bottom widget panel. So I will add it down at the bottom here, so tap on it. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Weather. Next, swipe across until you see it say Conditions and tap on it to add the widget to the panel. Then tap on the Close button. Here, if you want, you can rearrange it by dragging it to the left or to the right. So let's see if I can rearrange it. Looks like it doesn't allow me to move it across. So in order for us to change it, we need to remove the existing widget and then add it back in. Okay, so we have added the weather condition widget to the lock screen. After that, tap on Done. Then tap anywhere out here to close it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.